Hello. Today I want to show you our Gisholt lathe. It's a model 4L. Has a 9-inch spindle hole. It's equipped with what do we got on here? 24-inch 3-jaw, and we're about to run it here. All right. Machine start. Alright, there we go. What do we do to get the spindle going? Here we are. This has a pre-selection on the spindle speeds. Let's go over here to the, we can feed the cross slide right here. Feeding the cross slide, no problem. Disengage. Stops her up here, no problem. We can feed the there, okay, do the rapid. Don't hit the chuck, very good. We can feed the turret over here. Very good. You can see the ways on this are good, big box square ways, all in very good condition. We have rapid on the turret as well. Gotta find that gear, we're going kind of fast. You can pre-select, you can get the different feeds for each gearbox on each of them. You can change that. Alright, Dave, give us a different speed here. Put a different speed in, and then it'll select. There we go. Like I said, this has a 9-inch spindle hole, has the threading capability, high-speed threading down there with the stop. Get around the back here and take a look at that spindle hole one. Give you something to give you a little perspective. There's my hand. We can just drop that into low while we're running, and then it'll select it when it's in the mood. There you go. Got Gisholt 4L 9-inch spindle bore. Thank you for viewing.